Alright guys, I figured this out today. So basically, my axle assembly for my passenger side fell apart. So it looks something like this. So that's one part, that's another part. So basically, this is one part and this is another part. And they're both connected together here with like a little snap ring inside. So yeah, it came apart, so that's not good. And what you're gonna do now is take this out. I'm gonna show you how to do that. And you can't just go to AutoZone and just get like a new axle assembly because they won't have it. At least they didn't have it for me, because you need this little bracket right here. A special bracket. It's for a manual transmission. So you need this part because the ones they have at AutoZone are for automatics and they don't have this bracket that you need. So yeah, very important. But as far as this part, you could probably, I think they have this part at AutoZone. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just go to AutoZone and just buy it there. Yep. So what you're gonna do is put your foot on this shaft. Get your pin punch right here. You put it on this, right there. And you get like a little sledgehammer and pound it here until this pops out. So you get your little hammer and just bah. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, let's pound it out. It's coming out. It's just slippery. Yep. Right there. Two parts right there. Alright, so yeah, came out. And there's the snap ring I'm talking about. That little snap ring holds it in place so it won't come apart. Yeah, right there. So yeah, this is what I mean. It was one part. This connects to that. So yeah, for this part, you can use again since it's good. The splines are good. This end connects to the transmission, and this connects to that. And this is the axle where you connect the hub with the axle nut. Okay. Alright guys, so I had to order the part online from AutoZone. It was like 65 bucks. But yeah, this is the part right here. To do one. That's the splines. So that's the part I'm gonna use again. And I'm gonna connect it with that. And I'm gonna use this. So I don't wanna use like a hammer because it's gonna damage the threads. So I'm gonna use something like this. Alright, so basically you wanna start it off. First, just put it in, and then you get this, and just pound on this. It won't damage nothing because it's plastic or whatever. But that will damage it, metal. So, yeah. Alright, so there it is installed. See, it's connected. Now it's as one part now. So now all you gotta do is just put it back in the transmission, put everything back together, and you should be good to go.